Traditionally, we were focusing on academic domains. That's where, for example, one of our flagship studies, PISA, is focusing on and is assessing those skills. We started paying attention to the social emotional skills some 5-10 years ago. First did conceptual analysis and literature reviews of previous research in the domain, and then lately started developing a new assessment surveys and projects to assess actually these skills and also to identify the factors in students' environments who are responsible for the development of who can promote or hinder the development of these skills in children. The study I'm working on is called the Study on Social and Emotional Skills. It's a new international large-scale survey where we are trying to assess 15 social and emotional skills of 10-year-olds and 15-year-olds. So two separate cohorts around 10 different cities and countries around the world, so from 4 continents. We also want to identify the factors in their environment which are responsible for the development of these skills, whether it is at home with their family, whether it is the factors at school, in a class with a teacher, but also in a wider school environment, school climate or school policies, whether it is the peer relations, the quality of their relations with their classmates, with their friends, and whether it is maybe a wider community environment, their neighborhood safety in this environment and how they feel about it. At the same time, we want to see how these social emotional skills associate or how relevant they are to different life outcomes. For example, to students' academic achievement, to students' health and health-related behaviors, to their conduct at school, at home, to general well-being and life satisfaction. It's true that there is a lots of kind of different terminology and conceptual frameworks used in this area. Somebody call it non-cognitive skills, somebody call it soft skills, somebody call it life skills, character traits or character strengths. In OECD we used to call it or usually call it social and emotional skills. Mostly we are speaking about the same concepts. I would say that social emotional skills are just one aspect of life skills, and that there are also other skills such as cognitive skills and technical skills which are also important in various aspects of life. When we are emphasizing importance of social emotional skills, we don't want to de-emphasize the importance of cognitive skills. Both of those are important, and we just need to find the right balance in educational policies that will promote development of both of these groups of skills in our students.